kwabenya kwan no anya fresh saa na omo te hono omo bre mimi kwa area Santa Maria Sotom eno anya papa saa but kwabenya de ano odin ebi didi bi achi ano odin yaisa say na menya bia kanti I went there yesterday just to familiar myself with the place. I tell you too much. And yet, mom, kakra can say, Monso say ties, no. Let this one be the first and the last. You do that because it took me close to 4 hours to get access because I'm say tie. And yeah, and yet, but for you to block the road is not the best thing to do because Ghana Hana Yawano Embrawaha. There are procedures. If you want your road to be done, what do? How do you do it? Sunday morning, I'm before say, who be here. Now, you're penny for so. I can be say no. A junk one, I'm up. Say, you better some book on open evidences. I come out there be. And one of me show document to be at America, how baby. Now, settlement no, you know, you dick I quite answer yes, you are dying. Because I was surprised. Yaya Quina go home. The place has been demarcated. And Yaya acquire answer. And you be sit down. You see that I then cry and see yet. By Yaya Quina go home and Sana and Crawford ACC are dying. Oh, how do you hear the Yamasa? Sabica fracture, Yen and Swadu. Ah, she need pay good on me quabenya. I'm a team foot room. Huh? Ultimate meal store. That's the foot room at Jaffa. A cluster of school you so one was a cluster of schools now. I think that Kabenya basic schools no. Sa area ni and quality school mu and foot throw on daily basis. University na the campus na na de ho. She foot throw kwada yi mu. Takwada ko school na o 6 o'clock. Abepon that's at 5 o'clock no. Some foot throw nyina be kwada yi mu sa. Bone be na kwada na ye. Bone be party through na sa kwada na ye. Mesrese muntu ho na mo emayen e dan se yantima mufo no yemfa so V8 no yentwibi V8 ni yentwibi o visa amokwa na mokwa ere mama no yensa akwanya ni na yenibi yemfa so ene se benya ensuanom yemfa so ene se benya kwan so afa yemfa so ene awaba na yetuni mu se yare a yebenya obi am na hwe yan yantima mufo no yenso yemfa so kakra eno no etumo no boyan ya aya na ya yan faso fia no benefit kakra bi na resources kakra na ya ton no yan faso ewo no ya nya aya na ya kwabanyafo meniam ya adwen aya na ya ana achere nsoso se gakwai kwa mo ye 1 kilometer kwa every year kwa you should be done by now. Kwabanya is a very old settlement. What you say I want develop it I have grow too much to be doing those bad roads there. Akwaba me nka so say omo ye kwan ba ko no me de first coat we gu so e no kwa na ya me tan no ni aboka the first coat we gu so na nsu ato na ni nyina yi na be sen ko say mu ye de sa ya be to oba ni the first coat oba sa coat ta me nim say sa coat ta no de free hion coat ta any strength ni de be pete so ma mo na ye ya asa ya se nya ye na nsu ato na ni nyina yi na first one na ye ni nyina dan asiagu wo